Welcome to What's in the Box. This is a T-Rex Racing cage for an FJR1300 Yamaha. Engine cages for the front instead of frame sliders, and two protective cages for the back for the saddlebags. Heavy paper inside, keeping all the components safe and separated. Instructions. In this box I have 3 separate items. Instructions for the saddlebags protectors, instructions for the front axle sliders, and instructions for the front cage set with photographs, very well written. Slider pucks for the FJR1300 Yamaha, sliders for the front axle, accessory bolts, clearly marked, in bags. The product is wrapped in foam with zip ties around all corners that you'll need to cut with a pair of angle cutters. After you unwrap the foam from the part, what I find is nicely, cleanly powder coated. This is a rear set that will protect the saddlebags, and if it lays on its side, it will be landing on this replaceable sacrificial piece here. Don't know if you can all see that. That's a saddlebag part, and there's the powder coating. Here's the other saddlebag part, more big paper. Here's one front cage. This is going to be for the right side. It's going to come in, my puck's going to go there. And here's the other cage for the left side. So these two together. Let's see if we can figure this out, sitting here on the bench. Okay, now we figured it out. This is how it will go on the bike to protect the engine. So that's what's in the box from T-Rex Racing for an FJR1300 Yamaha sport touring bike.